Hi Skylark Sharks! Today's activity is going to be homemade ice cream made in a bag. Here are the items that you're going to be using. They include a half a cup of half and half, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, we have 1 tablespoon of sugar, we have 2 tablespoons of salt. We also have ice, which I do not have pulled out yet, along with a sandwich size baggie, a quart size baggie, and a gallon size baggie. The first thing that I actually wanted to show you was this. When you are doing this experiment, it's always wise to have a cup, just a regular cup, and you can place your sandwich size bag inside the cup and then flip over the top around the rim of the cup. So when you're putting items inside, you're not trying to struggle with the bag and dropping items at the same time. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna pour out 1/2 cup of half and half into a measuring cup and then place it inside of our baggie, inside of our cup. Okay, pretty simple. So the next thing we're going to do is actually take a half a teaspoon of vanilla and we're going to take a tablespoon of sugar. We're gonna add it into that cup that has the baggie in it and mix it in. And then we're going to take off the baggie off of the cup, seal it, try to take as much air as you can out of there. We are then gonna place it inside the quart bag and tighten that up as well. And here's the fast forward. So the next thing we're gonna actually do, and I won't be able to show you this because I need to actually use both of my hands and be able to get to my freezer, is we're gonna take our large gallon size Ziploc baggie and fill it with ice. As much ice as you can possibly fit in there, leaving just a little bit of room for our smaller bag with our ingredients. The next thing you're going to do is take 2 tablespoons, so 2 tablespoons of our salt and put it inside with the ice. Okay, I'll be back. We have our ice with our salt inside the bag. Pretty full, not completely full, but pretty close. Next, we're gonna take our bag with our ingredients and make sure they are completely sealed and with the excess air pulled out. We are going to place this bag inside our larger bag of ice. So go ahead and do that right now. And try to put some of the ice, make sure it's kind of in the middle of the bag itself, covered with ice. And then this is the fun part, friends. This is where it gets a little bit fun for the little ones. They need to seal this bag and they need to shake it with their bodies, their hands, everything. Just shake, shake, shake for 8 minutes. Okay, friends, our 8 minutes is up. And here are the results. Here's our bag. It feels really soft. It actually looks like it froze up. Kind of exciting. Open that bag, that one stayed completely shut. And there's ice cream. I'm so excited. It worked, friends. It completely worked. What does this ice cream actually taste like? I don't know, let's try it out. Wow, that's actually really good. All right, friends, it worked for me. I think it's gonna work for you. Good luck. Have lots of fun making the ice cream.